Welcome to another episode of Office Hours, the recap, where we go a little deeper into the discussion that we had in our Discord room over on chatbotbuilder.ai. Let's get started.
Okay, let's unpack this. Ever feel like you just missed out on the really good stuff from a mastermind session?
Yeah, like the conversation ends and you hear about it later.
Exactly. You know, the kind that leaves you buzzing with those aha moments and strategies you can actually use. Well, consider this your express pass to catch up. We're about to dive deep into the recent Chatbot Builders Office Hours. This deep dive is tailored just for you, our amazing CBB builders and AI enthusiasts who couldn't make it live.
And you know, what's fascinating here is we structured these not like lectures, but really interactive problem solving. So when you listen to this, don't think summary. Think more like getting the secret highlighted notes from a coffee chat.
Right, like the inside scoop.
Exactly. We're pulling back the curtain on the actual discussions, the breakthroughs, even the, frustrating tech hurdles we work through together.
That's it. Our mission today is to make you feel like you were right there, soaking up the wisdom, maybe laughing a bit at the tech fails.
Oh, there were a few.
And leaving inspired. We'll share the level of discussion, the real problems people brought, the solutions we cooked up, all with, hopefully, enough fun to keep you hooked.
Let's do it.
So let's kick things off with some exciting news around Kim's new Skool community. The buzz is real in CBB Nation.
Yeah, definitely. Lots of excitement.
Everyone's super excited for her launch. It feels like a pretty big step. What's the scoop? What's she offering? And how does it fit with the CBB world we already know?
Okay, so Kim's new Skool, it's not just more CBB, it's kind of an expansion. She's still deeply committed to CBB Nation, still doing those Wednesday and Sunday office hours we all love.
Okay, good.
But the new Skool hosts advanced courses, live trainings. It goes broader into business strategy, cutting-edge AI stuff. The key takeaway, I think, is how it addresses a gap, like scaling beyond just the tech skills.
Ah, right. More business focused.
Exactly. It's recognizing successful builders aren't just coding. They're strategizing, selling, building actual businesses. This helps our community become, full stack AI entrepreneurs.
And something I know I definitely need more of: accountability. Sounds like that's a huge focus there.
Massive. It really tackles that big question. How do we actually get things done?
Yeah. So many ideas, so little doing.
Right. So Kim's Skool is heavily focused on action. Accountability to yourself, but also to the group. We even committed to using the office hours themselves as a weekly accountability group.
Oh, interesting. How does that work?
Well, the idea is everyone identifies at least one specific action item each week. Bring your real-world problems, discuss them, maybe even do hands-on labs right there to build solutions.
So moving from just talking about it to actually building it.
Precisely. It's about that practical application with the community, making sure you follow through. Plan less, do more.
It's powerful.
Oh.
Okay, so once you've got your systems humming, next big hurdle: clients.
Always.
The office hours really dug into Kim's approach here. It sounded simple, but really effective. What was that golden nugget she shared?
Yeah, it's deceptively simple, but that's the power.
Yeah.
Kim's core strategy is know your client deeply, like really know them.
Okay.
Then identify one specific painful problem they have, just one.
Not 5 things, just one.
Just one. And then build one hyper-tailored solution for that exact problem. It's not just about starting small. It validates your solution fast, builds trust instantly, gets your foot in the door, then you expand.
That focus. Cutting through the noise. I like it.
Exactly. Delivers immediate value.
And here's where it got really interesting, especially for AI builders. We often think, go talk to the CEO.
Right.
But the discussion suggested maybe that's not the first step.
Precisely. To find the actual problems, the real pain points causing daily friction, costing time or money, you got to talk to the people doing the job.
The folks on the ground.
They're your best source. They know the inefficiencies AI can often fix so well. Once you've found that pain, built a solid solution, showed it works, then you go to the person with the budget authority.
Solve the real problem first, then sell the solution.
You got it. Tangible pain points, not just abstract ones.
Speaking of building solutions, Diana had a great suggestion about building a custom GPT.
Yeah, that was cool.
And you didn't just talk about it. You actually did it. like a mini lab.
We did. Spent this second hour actually building a GPT in ChatGPT. Went through reviewing sections, uploading docs, touched on the actions part connecting to external stuff.
Okay, so hands-on.
Very. And a key insight was comparing platforms. We talked PAIM GPT versus more general chatbot builder tools.
What was the difference there?
Well, PAIM GPT is really designed for monetizing your custom GPTs quickly. Chatbot builder might be for more complex integrated bots. The takeaway was choosing the tool for the job, quick launch and cache, or a bigger build.
Right tool, right time. Got it. And then there was that classic real-world tech moment. Anne-Marie and Denise.
Oh yeah, the JSON connection to Google Sheets.
That's the nitty-gritty stuff, right? The things that trip you up.
Totally. A perfect example of a specific but common technical hurdle. JSON, that's the standard data structure for web stuff.
Right.
They were trying to get AI info into Sheets in real time. The challenge, getting the JSON format exactly right for Sheets to read it.
Details matter a lot.
Absolutely. The lesson was validate your data format, your JSON schema, early. Saves headaches later. We also touched on languages, translation, even tried live Google Translate during a Portuguese chat. Bit clumsy, but fun.
Huh. How'd that go?
Let's just say the conclusion was optimistic. Language barriers are getting smaller. Eventually, they'll mostly disappear. Oh, and Jafir shared some cool stuff on using Twilio for outbound callbots. Really cutting edge.
Wow, okay. Lots packed in there. Before we dive deeper into AI specifics, we have to give a huge shout out.
Yes.
Ryan McNasty, big congrats. New dad.
Amazing news. His son was born just 6 days before the Sunday session. A bit early in the NICU, but doing really well.
That's wonderful to hear. And his story really brought home how life, impacts our business plan.
It really does. The human side of building. Ryan's been prepping client outreach using Instantly, Zap Mail, warming up email addresses.
The prep work.
Yeah, 10 mailboxes ready for cold email. He's like 90% done with a calendar bot for Facebook and his site. But that last 10% with a newborn, finding the time is tough.
Oh, I feel that. That resonates so much with my own struggle, perfectionism, killing my launches.
The classic struggle.
I overthink, tweak endlessly, then poof, the moment's gone. I'm literally trying to force myself by putting coming soon stuff on my Skool page, just to make myself finish.
It raises that critical question, right? Especially in AI where things move so fast. How do you balance perfection with speed?
What was the consensus?
Pretty clear, actually, from the office hours, and really for any entrepreneur. Don't wait to launch. Imperfect execution beats perfect hesitation every single time.
Get it out there, learn, iterate.
Exactly. Don't wait for perfect. It might never come.
Okay, shifting gears a bit. More technical waters. GitHub. For those maybe not deep into coding, what is it? And why should our audience, CBB builders, AI folks, care?
Right. So GitHub is basically a hub for code. Developers share stuff there, often open source. But for CBB builders and AI enthusiasts, it's a goldmine, not just code. Open source AI projects, data sets, documentation.
So resources.
Huge resources. You can find unique AI models, research implementations, even comprehensive lists. Someone found the best list of MCP servers there, the real power. You can grab code or data and ask ChatGPT, hey, what's this? How do I use it? It makes advanced AI much more accessible.
Democratizing it, kinda.
Exactly.
And speaking of ChatGPT, you mentioned a slightly scary realization about how well it knows you.
Huh. Yeah, a bit eye-opening. My ChatGPT, it's like a work buddy. 6 hours a day, it knows my style, my knowledge. Uncannily well. Scarily accurate sometimes.
Better than other models.
For me, yeah. Gemini, Claude, not the same level of personalization, which led us to data privacy.
Ah, the big one.
Specifically, that setting in ChatGPT, the one allowing your info to train the model.
Turn it on or off?
Well, the concern is, if responsible users, the ones generating maybe the best data, turn it off. What's the AI actually learning from?
Like who's left training the model?
Right. It's like asking who actually serves on a jury if the most informed people opt out. It's a real question for the future of AI quality.
That ties right into the White House's new AI regulation plan. That came up too.
It did. 28 pages. The plan clearly wants America to lead in AI, build infrastructure, foster innovation, all good stuff.
Yeah.
But the big question, are the safety guardrails strong enough? And who decides what's dangerous AI versus what's just stifling innovation? It's a fine line.
Tricky balance.
Very. We really encourage everyone, read the plan. Give feedback now while it's still being shaped. Before it becomes law, this is the time to influence it responsibly.
Good advice. Then there was Diana's brilliant prompt.
Oh, that was fantastic.
What advice do you want to give me that you didn't have the chance? The AI results were wild.
So insightful. Charles's response about protecting creative energy, about not waiting to launch, it felt incredibly personal and spot on.
Shows how tailored AI can be with the right prompt.
Totally. But it also led to a lighter moment talking about our relationship with AI.
Like what?
Like, jokingly cursing at it when it messes up, then maybe apologizing quietly later, just in case.
Just in case of the robot uprising.
You never know. But seriously, it sparked discussion about misuse, potential hacking, dangerous chemicals, and the absolute need for strong ethical guardrails. Constant vigilance.
Exactly. On a more positive AI application, Danny shared using it for deep research.
Yeah, that was powerful. He basically had AI crawl the web to create a detailed report on his own career. It even found an old blog post of his from 2017 with ideas that are still relevant today.
Wow, so personal knowledge discovery.
And business intelligence. Imagine using that to research potential clients,
Right.
partners, pulling insights that would take days manually. Plus, watching how the AI does that deep research. It teaches you strategies, frameworks for your own building, improves your logic. It's like a research assistant and consultant combined.
And this connects directly to something you're building, GPT clones as a business model.
It does, yeah. I am building GPTs as mentors for my courses, even clones of other creators using their public content.
Clones, how does that work?
Well, think about online courses. AI can outline a sourdough course for free now, right?
True.
The real value is shifting. It's personalized instruction, visual walkthroughs, instant answers. A GPT can be that constant presence. It remembers everything the creator published, even years ago.
That's potentially powerful.
It's a bit scary, too. I found some of my own awful content from 2003 this way. But it shows what's possible for personalized learning.
Let's switch to tools again. ChatGPT's agent mode. What were the impressions? What should builders know?
Honestly, I wasn't blown away. Yet. I like control, Yeah. And the lack of clarity on data sharing, the behind-the-scenes stuff, it's concerning. Even if it's faster, you have to connect accounts. Box, Canva, Dropbox, GitHub, Gmail, Notion, Outlook, Teams. I connected a bunch.
But there's a catch.
Big catch. On the $20 plus plan, only 40 tasks a month, and one task might involve multiple steps, analyze emails, summarize, save to docs. Those 40 tasks disappear fast.
Ouch. 40 isn't much for active use.
Not really. Plus regional limits. Diana in Europe only had GitHub available as a connector. Claude and Gemini have different sets too. Claude connects to Trello, Asana, Calendar, PayPal. So the lesson, understand the limits, test if it actually adds value for your workflow, don't assume.
Good practical advice.
And Grok.
The XAI model of personas. You tried the cartoon fox.
I did. Grok released 2, the Fox for Kids, and a very not safe for work girl avatar.
Sticking with the fox.
Definitely tried the Fox. It started out talking to me like I was 5, until I told it my age. Then, boom, instant adjustment, voice, tone, sophistication. Super helpful. It actually helped me flesh out a whole new business idea in about 2 hours. Better insights than ChatGPT sometimes gives.
Really shows the potential for educational AI, right?
Yeah.
Tailored to learning style.
Exactly. Imagine that for kids, adapting in real time. It needs premium Grok, but definitely something to watch.
You also shared your YouTube goals. Monetization quest, how's that going? Any tips for builders creating content?
The goal is 1,000 subs by year end. It's a grind. I've managed channels for others, but doing it for yourself, linking everything bot, courses, stories, it's exhausting.
What's the content strategy?
Short, practical AI tutorials. How I use specific tools like Plane for text-to-speech, Runway for video, trying to attract traffic that way. Key insight, batching. AI moves too fast otherwise. Edit Thursdays, schedule Mondays. Just trying to keep up. It's a sprint.
Keeping up is the challenge.
Yeah.
Which leads to the tool overload question.
Yeah.
So many options. How do you pick the right one?
Crucial question. And the answer is, don't force it. If a tool isn't the best fit, don't try to make it work. There's so many alternatives.
Like the community platform example.
Right. Circle versus Skool. Circle has more customization, maybe a nicer UI. But complex tiered pricing. I picked Skool, structured, easy, flat pricing. Pick what serves your needs now, allows for growth but isn't overkill, and watch the cost. Those $200, 300-month AI tools only make sense if they directly make you money.
Avoid the shiny object syndrome.
Definitely.
So, staying informed, who do you follow? Any good newsletters that cut through the noise?
Influencers. Matt Wolf is great. He tries everything, so I don't have to. Nick Sariev, Canadian, solid insights. Seems like a good guy. Matthew Berman, Jeff Sue, too. Newsletters are tough. Many say the same thing or get outdated fast. It's a constant filtering process, honestly.
Always digging. We even took a fun detour into tech nostalgia.
Yeah.
Nintendo 64.
Super Nintendo,
Atari.
Commodore 64.
Yeah. DOS. That dial-up modem sound. Windows 3.1, then 95. Was 95 the first big UI?
Felt like it. And Y2K. Remember the panic I was teaching then? The fear was real.
Crazy how far we've come. Dot matrix printers. Pages of code for simple math.
Wild. But it shows how every step connects, right? My journey from gateway computers, A+ cert, teaching Windows, even Homeland Security projects. It all builds, opens new doors, leads to AI.
All part of the journey. Okay, we really covered a lot in this deep dive, from foundational stuff like accountability and getting clients,
Right through to cutting-edge AI agents, those personas, the ethical questions about data.
and yeah, a little fun tech history trip too.
We really hope you listening feel not just informed, but genuinely inspired. Maybe to apply some strategies or just think more critically about AI's evolution. The insights from those office hours are like pure gold for builders and enthusiasts. Practical stuff.
So here's a final thought for you to chew on. As AI keeps accelerating breakneck speed, really what personal guardrails are you putting in place? How are you making sure you stay in control of your data, your direction, your own ethical compass in all this? Something to think about.
That wraps up another discussion on the office hours recap. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. And as always, come on over and join us in the Discord room every week live at 10:30 a.m. Eastern. See you next week.